Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see review about Crompton Stevens fan. So let's see its specification now. So this is the package of fan. When you purchase the fan, you get two packs. One consists of fan motor and other package consists of fan blades. Uh, so so here it is. Here they have given the features. So you can see that this is corrosion resistant surface finish on blade and body, double ball bearings, aerodynamically balanced blade, means the fan will not wobble. Then you can see that here it's given contents of the pack. It consists of fan motor, down rod, pair of canopies and shackle assembly kit. And you can see here the rate is given, it is 1570, but in Amazon I got around 1300 rupees. So this is the product name. Model name is Sea Wind, and in its manufactured month and year is September 2020. So and it's made in India. This is second package. It is fan blade, and here it is written Sea Wind 1200 ceiling fan blade set. Okay, now let us unpack it. So first let us unpack the fan motor box. Uh, so here it is. Here you get instruction come warranty card. Here it is. Okay. And here it is. Oh, okay. And here it is shown how to install the fan. Assembly instruction for ceiling fan is given here. So 14 picture is given step by step, and then here mounting recommendation is given. Then here maintenance of the fan is given. This is circuit diagram of the fan, and here they have given general guidelines for fan selection as per room size. So here it is. This is the down rod. This is the pair of canopies. This is shackle pin set. And here it is. This is fan rotor set. This is the actual fan motor. Let us unpack the second package. So it is a ceiling fan blade set. Now let us open it. Okay. So here are the three blade sets of the fan. Okay. I have unpacked all the package. Now you can see that this is pair of canopies. This is set of 3 blades. This is down rod. This is shackle pin set. This is fan motor. Scratches. I have placed the fan motor in a thermocol like this. This is the shackle pin set, and you can see that it is held by nut, and you can see this is split pin. This is rubber holder. This is another set for holding the fan motor, and you can see here this is down rod, and this is top portion, means it will come here, this part will come here, and this part will come here to hold the fan motor. We will also require some wire about 1.5 feet for connecting fan motor to the main supply. So we'll assemble the fan and let's see. Now I have assembled the down rod part, and you can see that I have given wire here like this. Okay, and canopies are also fixed. Now let us assemble the blades in the fan. Now I have assembled the 3 blades in the fan at the appropriate places. Let us install the fan in the ceiling. Now I have installed the fan in the ceiling. Now let us switch it on and check it. See that regulator position is at maximum position. Now I am going to switch on the fan. It is slowly picking up the speed. Now you can see that there is little bit wobbling. Okay, the air delivery is okay for this price. I hope you understood the review and explanation of this fan. If you have any doubt, please feel free to comment in the comment section. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe it. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you very much.